Hi Wagtails and Kingfisher class. Well, it's that time again. It's Friday and it's poem day. I wonder if you know what our poem is going to be today. There's no place like space. And can you see? It's by Dr. Seuss and there is a cat in the hat. I wonder what he's going to get up to in our story today. A lovely poem about space. And here is Rex Reader again. His hat's gone all squiffy. I think it might be a bit too big for him, don't you? But he's there and he's listening to our fantastic space poem. So we find out what happens in our space poem. I'm the cat in the hat and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars and the sun. There is no place like space, I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high. We can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury's close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime but freezing at night. On Venus the weather is always the same, hot, dry and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It's the 3rd planet from the sun. It's our planet Earth. And it says on the page before, it's got a little poster here that thing 1 and thing 2 are holding and cat in the hat, and it says today's weather on Venus, really hot, nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit, windy and dry. Earth. It spins all the time round and round like a top. It turns once each day and it never will stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next here is Mars. It's the colour of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings, is so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colours in space, I will show you some to you. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it would not be nice. Some astronomers think it is covered with ice. It is chilly and cold every night and all day, for the sun's just a speck in the sky far away. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Think 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. We have seen all 9 planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Metzer just served us 999 pizzas. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now, here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's a star dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favourite one. We can't live without it, the star called the sun. From the Earth it looks big, there is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would be hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1 million of our Earths could all fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back up the stars and take thing 1 and thing 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. There we go, and can you see the moon has got the cat in the hat inside it. Now, there was something with this poem that's not quite right. I wonder if you can work it out. Do we have 9 planets in the solar system, or has one of our planets changed? Has it been given a different name? I can't wait to hear and see your space poems. Now remember, your space poems this week have to be about the things we've been learning in the space race. So it might be about Laika, the space dog. It might be about Belka and Shrelka. And I can't wait to see what you come up with for your space poems. Have fun on Fun Friday. Take care, Kingfishers and Wagtails. Bye.